Consult a Porsche mechanic to fix dim headlight issues in Canoga Park. Though Porsche is known for its high performance levels, a common issue many Porsche owners have is dim headlights. Headlights that do not project a bright enough beam can prevent other drivers from seeing you clearly. Causes of dim headlights issues in your Porsche. There are a few reasons behind the dimming of headlights in your Porsche. Faulty alternator. The alternator supplies your car with electrical power by converting mechanical energy into electrical energy. If your alternator has failed or is close to failing, it won't be able to produce enough electricity, including for your headlights. Discharged battery. The battery supplies the initial surge of electricity needed to start the engine. If your battery has lost its charge or isn't holding a charge well, there may not be enough power for your lights. Loose bulbs. The easiest way for your headlights to go dim is if one or both of the bulbs isn't screwed in tight enough. You can check this by looking at the backside of the headlight assembly and tightening the screws if they are loose. Bad bulbs. If the bulbs are screwed down tight, then one or more of your bulbs may have simply burned out. You can change the bulbs, and even then if the issues persist, then there is something else wrong with your car. Malfunctioning dimmer switch. Your dimmer switch controls whether or not your headlights are on high beam or low beam. If the dimmer switch is broken, you may experience a flickering between high and low beams or no lights at all. Faulty wiring. A burned out or a frayed wiring harness can also cause dim headlights, since it can hinder the flow of electricity. This is usually caused by corrosion due to exposure to heat, water, or snow. Corroded terminals and connectors. It is also possible that corroded terminals/connectors are causing dim headlight issues. You can clean them up and reconnect them if they have corrosion on them. Tips to deal with dim headlight issues. Here are some helpful tips. Clean your headlight lenses. Regularly clean your headlights with the proper car shampoo and a soft sponge. If this doesn't help, try rubbing them with toothpaste and then buff them with a headlight lens polishing compound. Clean up corroded connections. Corrosion can build up on battery terminals and electrical connectors and cause problems like intermittent power loss. You can use a wire brush and baking soda solution to clean off any corrosion. Euro Plus Automotive can help. Euro Plus Automotive is one of the most trusted auto repair shops in Canoga Park. Our team has the experience needed to diagnose any issues with your Porsche. So next time you are looking for an auto repair center in Canoga Park, give us a call at 818-639-4279.